Before we dive in, smash that subscribe, hit like, and share the love. Your support keeps our creativity alive and the Balang Tamak story roaring forward. Together we honor the past, create the future, and keep this legend in motion. Let's roll.
This is. The jungle watches. The spirits listen. Every step is a choice. The earth whispers warnings in paw prints and shadows. The wise listen before they walk. We should keep our promises. You stay in your lane. We stay in mine. But now, you break it. In the wild heart of Bali, one man's hunger will awaken ancient teeth. Always remember this. When man forgets respect, the jungle remembers. Guardian of the mountains, down here in the Alash, sacred realm of shadow and spirit. I cross your threshold, knowing the cost. For one among you broke the covenant of old, and stole what breathes with our soul. If fate demands I pay in blood or spirit, then let it be written by the moon above. I stand ready, for the first betrayal was not mine. three of ours. You took a life, we'll take yours. I knew this day would come. All this chaos, it is our doing. My people forgot to thank the forest, forgot respect for the spirit that shelters us. We crossed the boundary into Alas, the forbidden heart. Oh, guardian of the mountain, forgive us. If you must take a life, take mine. I am ready. Return to the mother's womb.
Oh, this villagers, they gone too far. Cross the boundary. In every land the ancients knew. You do not take from the sacred what is not freely given. Cross the boundary of spirit, and the guardian will find you. Not in vengeance, but in the rhythm of nature's justice.